Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Today, we're going to go over some basic tech terminology, so without any further ado, let's get right to it.
CPU, Central Processing Unit. SSD, Solid State Drive. RAM, Random Access Memory. APU, Accelerated Processing Unit. HDD, Hard Disk Drive. ODD, Optical Disk Drive. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. USB, Universal Serial Bus. OS, Operating System. UI, User Interface. Okay, so that was the video. Hope you learned a thing or two. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.